Hello YouTube world, I'm on a roll today. This is my third video for the day. So as you can tell, I'm wearing my same PJs. So I have another unboxing video. It's not a true unboxing because I already opened it and I took a peek and I'm just so happy. Oh my God, that I got this because I love this. So again, if you're buying the 10A quality mirror quality, this is from the same seller that I've gotten all my other 10A quality purses from. It comes with the ribbon, the Camilla, the shopping bag, all the documentation. It says duty-free Hong Kong, and then receipt from the store, supposedly from the store, and the magnetic box that I like because it's magnetic both sides. This one is broken though. I mean, it got detached, but it's easy. You could still use it because it's magnetic. So let me just put this down. And so this is my favorite color, guys. So it comes protected in this thick plastic just in case, you know, the package gets wet so your purse doesn't get wet. And this is not, it came with this dust bag because it's not really, I don't think it's considered a classic, this style. So this is the Chanel Boy or the boy. So, and this comes in my favorite color. Look at that, guys. And it is in chevron. So it, on camera, it comes across as like a orangey pink, orangey red, but it's actually red in real life. And it came with, I think, what do you call this, ruthenium hardware, but on the website it's described as like a silver hardware, and I love that. And then the strap is inside. This is a medium size, I think. I love chevron, guys. I love the chevron style. I don't really have a chevron. I think I have another replica that I came from. My husband bought for me from my country, but it's not a very good replica. Wait, how do I do this? Oh wait, it doesn't. It's not the same as the classic Chanel. Hold on. How do I strap this? I don't have a boy Chanel, so so I guess this comes over like this, and then here I should have searched, and then here, or no, okay, this way. This is kind of hard. Okay, all right, I managed to put it on, so I guess that's how it is. So here you go, guys, and inside it looks like that. And then it came with the Chanel, the tags. It says 20p. For some reason all of their bags says 20p. I think most of what I got is supposed to come with a style. At least the picture here is accurate. And then so this is how it looks like, guys, and I guess you could wear it like this. So again, on camera it comes across orangey red, but it's not. So I am impressed, guys. It's really, really nice, and it's also heavy. So that's how it is, guys, and I love it. Again, this is from my seller, from the seller on DHgate. So this was $302, but then I got a lot of coupons from DHgate, so I think I got it for $254 or something like that. So all right, guys, so that's it. Again, when you buy something from DHgate, always look for wait for the time when they have their promos and their coupons. Sometimes you would have 20 and then on top of 10, so you get 30. And oh, I forgot to mention, this is caviar leather, and I love it, guys. That's it. It looks legit. It really does. All right, guys, that's it for today, and I hope you like this unboxing. I'll put the seller's information on in the description box. All right, have a good day, afternoon, or night, wherever you may be, and don't forget, you're awesome and you are loved. Bye.